This was crazy simple to install. You just take off the valve caps on your tires, then you inflate it to the level that you want. So for my minivan, it's 35 PSI. Then you get the valve stems for this, or I guess they're meters with batteries on them, and you just screw those on and that's it. You're done. It has solar on top to keep it charged. I don't know how well it works because since I've gotten it, I haven't had to charge it besides the initial charge, but it does have a USB-C port in the back. So if it does run out of power, you can charge it easily that way. The reason I got this is I noticed one of my tires was low and it was a very, very gradual thing. So I suspected it was a leak, but I wanted to make sure before I went in and paid the money to get the tire fixed. So yeah, I got this. It was really inexpensive. I put on all of the meters and we could see every couple of days one of the tires would drop by 1 PSI, and we could see it gradually over time that sure enough there's definitely a leak in that tire, and we didn't have to worry if it was too low or not because we could see exactly what the level was at. This has been really nice. Let me kind of show you a bit closer up how to set this up and use this. I do appreciate that it is USB-C rechargeable. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So it's got the solar panel on front. I park in a garage, so probably not going to use that a whole lot. And it looks like it is dead as of right now. Let me go ahead and plug it in. Now let me try turning it on. Really doesn't want to come on. No LEDs to indicate that it's getting power or anything. Okay, this is good to know. So just plugging it in and turning it on, the display is not going to show up until it's actually had some time to charge. So if you get this and it's a blank screen, just let it charge for a bit. Here are the tire pressure meters, and these are anti-theft nuts. So if you want to make it so you can't unscrew these, you can put that on. If you just want to use it like a normal cap though, just screw it on. That's a lot easier if you live in an area where people won't steal these, which hopefully is most areas. No complaints so far. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. You can change it from PSI to, I think, bar or something like that, and then you can change from Fahrenheit to Celsius for the tire temperature. And yeah, that's it. Every time I go in my van, I know exactly what the tire pressure is, and I've verified it against the tire inflator I have. It's consistent, so this seems to work well. The only thing I didn't really try was the nuts that you can put on to lock them in place so people don't steal them. I've been really happy with this.